Oh, I'm on. You know what she tells me? I'm online for the bus. We might be on the same bus. No, we won't. We're looking to get a shuttle back to you.
She just said, actually, my bus might be here. Catch you at the place.
Yeah, she'll catch me in the lobby. She don't got a key to get into the room. I'm gonna go pee.
You missed this shuttle?
No, you're gonna tell the shuttle to wait. My father's in the friggin' bathroom.
They're not gonna wait for you.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not,
Dad.
Listen, I got
Dad, if there's ever
the lady at the waffle said it's every half hour.
Dad, you gotta hold it in.
That's not nice, man.
Just peed.
When?
We had lunch. An hour ago.
That was an hour ago, man. I'm 56, man.
As soon as we pulled, as soon as I turned that corner and I saw we were here, I'm like, oh, we're
I heard you.
Yeah.
I
We're
heard,
screwed.
I heard you.
I was sitting there waiting
We
for
weren't
you guys.
even
I'm like,
down.
oh,
Yo, but let me tell you something. That run was dope. Oh, I got it. Woo! Woo!
that was hard.
Other,
pain.
yeah, but the last,
yeah.
Oh my
Dad
God.
goes, woo!
Nancy's like, oh!
I've been like that all day. Not for nothing.
Honestly, I don't even think those are moguls. I think they were like just man-made moguls.
Oh, they were man-made ones.
Yeah.
Oh, you kidding me? Come on! Oh!
We've taken that before with Mom, and Mom never would've done that.
Your mom with me, I know.
Someone's calling me.
Yeah, your mother.
Mom.
Yeah, she's on her way to Pollard Brook.
You're on your way to Pollard Brook?
Where's she-
I realized that.
Where is
No.
she going? What's she doing?
She's going to Pollard Brook.
All right, go tell her to hang out in the fireplace.
Hang out by the fireplace because you can't get into the room.
All right, you don't got a key.
She's got a bad catfish. All right, home. I'll talk to you later.
Not for nothing, I could have been up there. I could have peed and came back already.
Yes, that's you know.
No, I could have been up there, not peed.
Right, you could have just.
I could have gotten into the bathroom.
We've made this mistake before.
Yeah,
Yeah,
with
we
enough
walked
time
the
to take
whole
the
way
chair
We
lift
walked
up.
the whole way back.
All right.
We walked back?
No,
Oh, yes we did.
no,
I
we
didn't
walked from the other one.
No, I wouldn't
From
walk.
Governor's to Oxford.
Right, but last year we made it down here with enough time to get on the chairlift to go back
I
up.
walked. Hell no. I ain't walking.
Davey and the Jet. First tilt. I don't even know if you can hear me because my music is pumping like there's no tomorrow. I'm a freaking musician, as Annie Mae would say.
it's really not so bad. Let's check it out. I mean, we've taken this one up 1,000 times, so at least we're getting to the top of the mountain. Guess, look. Yeah, I'm flying solo on this chairlift. My better half is all banged up at home. Hopefully she'll come for lunch. Anyway, yeah, man, stick around. We're skiing. Looks like it's gonna snow a little bit, which will always be nice. Conditions so far look amazing. Powder, packed powder. No ice so far. And yeah. That's it, basically. Yeah. Day number 2, very windy conditions.
Cold. Not as cold as yesterday.
Not as cold as yesterday, but cold. Windy enough though where they shut down the gondola. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Boys
Yeah.
and girls?
I have a problem
What's your problem, Daria?
with this face thing. I like to breathe. I don't like not being able to breathe.
Well, the funny thing is my face is freezing.
Mine too.
I put it on, and then it's sweating, and then
Yeah.
I'm like, I gotta take it off.
I know.
And now my face is frozen. There's like no happy friggin'
Dad,
medium.
you're bright red.
Vincent said that to me yesterday. You remember, Vin?
You're bright
I got down. Vin looks at me. He starts laughing. He goes, Dad, your face is blistering red.
Your cheeks are so red.
Oh shit! Here we go. GoPro, stop recording.